Hi, my name is Lori with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make an entire Thanksgiving meal. To begin our gravy, first off we're going to make a roux. And I'm going to use the leftover juices from the turkey and just get that all in the pan together. And this is mostly fat from the turkey, which helps make a better roux. All right, we've got that cooking, and since I had about a tablespoon of butter, since I had a stick of butter, I'm going to do about 8 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to make a light roux. And your roux is your thickener for your sauce. So you can make more or less of it depending on how much sauce you're making. And you want to whisk it so that you don't have clumps of flour. And whenever you do make your roux, you want to make sure that you allow it to cook for a little bit so it cooks out that floury flavor. Of course, the longer you cook it, the darker it's going to get. And you need to allow your roux to come to a boil so that it becomes activated.